In this video, we will learn how to use AutoFit adjusted column in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. So here I am write some word. Suppose I write here some statement. Please. Okay, I write again. Please subscribe. Okay, my YouTube channel. Okay, I write this sentence. Okay, but this sentence is not adjusted in one cell, it's half in one second, third and fourth cell with the one statement. So I want to, when you write any in Excel, it's automatically adjusted in one cell. When you word, I hear the write his sentence. If you write something word, and suppose I write here the worksheet. Oh, so here you see it's not adjusted. Word also is here not adjusted automatically. And if you want to adjust it, so let's start how it's do. Right click on the sheet name and click on the view code and select here the worksheet. Okay. Then in between this name write the one code. Okay. I write here cell, then dot, then write entire column, then dot, write auto fit. Okay, auto fit, and just close it. Okay, just close it. Now just click on it and here you see the changes. If you want to see, I just write here something, anything, and when I press the enter, the word is automatically adjusted in column. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, please. Thank you.